I'm going to do how to create a lookalike audience in Facebook Ad Manager. Right? So it's pretty basic. Let's go do it. First, you go to your Ads Manager account, Ad Manager account, and do audiences. Now here you can import an audience like past customers or people like that, right? And then you can choose, do you want to create an ad group, or where do you want it to go, or, basically an email list would be great. And who are you going to then target? What do you want to get from that, right? Do you want a customer list? And then you can choose, like, upload the file here, and then do you want to create over here prepare the list, move it down, right? This is how you create a lookalike audience in Ads Manager. So once you upload the list, you can say, instead of Nevada, here in Nevada, you choose create an audience in Arizona or Utah, for instance, right? And then you create the ad to target that, and then you can create from that another audience based on engagement. So A, B, C, D. Up to 256 rows of data. Here, for instance, all audiences. Like a general reach. Then what kind of thing do you want? Do you want brand awareness? Do you want traffic, engagement, app installs, or conversions? If you have conversions, this ad will generate a unique code that you have to embed in your website for when purchase happens. So you can report back to this ad campaign. And with that, you can say lookalike audience, 1% of the population or 5%. For instance, here, if for youth tennis, for example, here in Nevada, it turns out people that are interested in buying shoes for tennis are more likely to support youth tennis than people who like Wimbledon, for instance, right? So those are more active tennis people than people who like, I don't know why, but they're more likely to click through. So that's how you do it here, right? Right here. And then here, this is the result, right? A, over here, the audience definition. What's the audience? B, what's the daily estimated clicks? Not clicks, actually. B is served up images on your Facebook feed. This is 997 to 2.9K. Then per average, what's the number of clicks for that audience? You can geofence it, for instance, 25 miles from downtown Reno or Colorado or Miami. This one is for all of the United States, over there by D, and between 18 and 65, and all genders. You can really target audiences with this tool, and this is how you do it, right? So back to the summary. First, go to Ad Manager. Then download a customer list. Then target the customers, right? Like maybe certain interests, maybe certain groups, certain demographics, maybe a geofence, right? And then that's it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.